Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to post a dental estimate after it was created in the treatment planning mode. An estimate is a quotation that is created for a patient to give them an indication of how much a treatment or procedure will cost. The quotation or estimate can be used to get authorization from the medical aid or for private patients to have an idea of how much they will have to pay for the treatment or procedure. From the diary screen, click on the booking of the patient for whom you would like to create a dental estimate. Click on the account details button in the sidebar. The invoices screen will open. Click on the Estimates Invoices tab. Any estimates that have been created will be available to be viewed and posted. For a complete explanation of how to create dental estimates, please see the user manual in this video's description. To view an estimate, click on the page icon under the View Estimate column. The Invoice Details screen will open. In order to post a dental estimate, select the applicable post option by clicking on the Post drop-up menu. Post Only will post the invoice as invoiced on the GoodX system. Post Await Response posts the invoice and awaits a response from the relevant medical aid. Post and Switch will post the invoice and switches to the relevant medical aid. An attention pop-up will appear stating that the invoice is still marked as an estimate and if the practitioner would like to post the invoice. Click on the No button to cancel. Click on the Yes button to post the invoice. Click on the Invoices tab to see whether the invoice was posted successfully. Click on the Close button to return to the diary screen.